In this video, I still talking about body parts, and in this one, let's see how we attach the pronoun I to the nouns. For example, how you say my hand, your hand, her hand. But in this video, I will focus on one pronoun, which is I. So let's get started. Now, we'll do body parts with attaching a pronoun to the noun, and in this video, I will work on I. So in Arabic language, if you remember, if you recall what we did before, for ana, we suffix ya to the noun. For example, if you have the word bait, house, how you make it my house? You suffix ya, beiti. And this is what we are doing in this video with the body parts. Let's get started. رأس, you suffix ya, you make it رأسي. عين, عيني. فم, فمي. أذن, أذني. Try to read with me. أنف, أنفي. وجه, وجهي. حلق, حلقي. خد, خدي. أسنان, أسناني. لسان, لساني. ذقن, ذقني. أكتاف, أكتافي. كوع, كوعي. معصم, معصمي. One more. أصبع, أصبعي. ذراع, ذراعي. معدة. This noun ends with ta marbuta. Remember, reopen it, then suffix ya. Again, معدة, معدتي. ظهر, ظهري. ساق, ساقي. ركبة, تا مربوطة, ركبتي. قدم, قدمي. أصبع القدم, أصبع قدمي. Now you need to stop and you have to think of more pronouns. I just did one of them, one of what we have learned, أنا. Now you have to think of you male, how we say your eye for male, or your eye for a female, or your head. Use any of the nouns from what we have learned from body parts vocab. We have to try play with them now with more pronouns, with he, with she. So my next video, I will do some practicing with you on more pronouns.